Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be playing around with the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb creams. Did buy most of them. I think there was 5 that came out. I bought 4 of them. I didn't pick up like the one that was like a really purpley mauve color. I already just knew that that was not going to be my color. I picked up 4 of them and I'm really excited for these. I wanted to do like just a quick video. I'm going to be trying one on with you guys for the first time to see how the formula is, see how, you know, it applies and stuff, and then I will do lip swatches of the other 3. But when Fenty originally had posted like the pictures and stuff, I got so many DMs asking if I was to do a video and stuff, so I didn't want to wait for them to see if they were going to come in PR, so I just ended up buying them myself. I have them right here. These were $19 each, I think. Let's see like how they compare to the regular gloss bombs. My favorite gloss bomb is Fussy. Mine's pretty much like empty. This is the one I use the most. Unpopular opinion, gloss bombs are not my favorite Fenty lip product. I like pretty much all the other lip products before gloss bomb. I do like to wear this one like over just like a lipstick or something, but the only thing I don't like about the gloss bombs is that I feel like the color fades really fast on me, and I would like to just have like a lip gloss that does have a little bit of color that does last, but that's most lip glosses, honestly. A lot of the color doesn't actually last on me anyways. I don't have like pigmented lips, so I really like something to have a tint to it. So I would like to just be able to like throw this on and like call it a day, but it ends up looking like clear on me. Fussy is my favorite, and I do like the regular Fenty Glow one, I think, and then I have Diamond Milk. I do use Diamond Milk every so often. Try Fenty Glow first. I have no idea where my actual like regular gloss bomb is at. I just have Fussy and Diamond Milk right here. I'm pretty sure it's like in one of my bags or something, but yeah, so it's pretty much in the same packaging. It does say cream on it. I like that all of their cream products do say cream on them, kind of like the just like the bronzers and the blushes. They all say cream on them, so hopefully that this has a little bit more like pigment to it, and I can kind of just like wear this on its own just to like throw on. That'll be really nice. Let's start off with Fenty Glow. These kind of smell similar to the regular gloss bombs. I feel like the gloss bomb smells so good. That's like the best thing. It smells so good. This one smells kind of similar. It's not the same though. It kind of almost has, I don't know, I can't really tell what it smells like, but anyways, yeah, so let's start off. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. That's just that first layer. This is perfect. This is exactly what I want from like a lip gloss. I do like a more sheer lip gloss when I'm using it like over a lipstick, and obviously like these have their purpose. Like I said, I like to put them over like a lip liner or a lipstick or something, but I do have to wear a lip liner or a lipstick with them. So with these, I don't think I would have to wear anything with it, like anything underneath. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel thick. It honestly feels kind of the same as the gloss bomb. Like maybe like a little bit creamier, but it still feels like a gloss, so I like it. It's not super pigmented either. Like it's not super opaque or anything. I really like this one a lot. See, this is like what I wanted originally from the gloss bombs, you know? So that is Fenty Glow. Not too much to say. I like it. It feels really nice. I definitely would, this would be like the one that I probably would throw in my bag to just throw something on. I really like having just like plain glosses like this that I can wear on its own. I don't know how many times I could say that, but it feels really comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel thick or goopy or anything like that. So I like it. Like I said, it feels pretty similar to the regular gloss bomb formula. If you're familiar with it, it's thin, it's like nice on the lips, feels hydrating. So okay, so let's go ahead and try on another one. I'm gonna go with Honey Waffles. This one I'm excited for. This looks like a really pretty like yellowy undertone brown. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh. Ooh, I like that one. It's definitely like a more yellowy, orangey nude kind of. Honey Waffles looks like. I think it's really pretty, and yeah, I like I'm saying, like I really like the pigment in these a lot. It has enough pigment to like where you can wear it on your own. I feel like you could also probably wear this on top of another lipstick or like with a lip liner, but if you're like me and you like to just wear things on their own and not have to think about like a lip liner or anything, then these are perfect. It has just the right amount of pigment. to wear it with like a full face of makeup, or it's also light enough to where you could wear it like kind of just with nothing on the rest of your face. Let's go in with Cookie Jar. This is the darker brown one. I'm very excited for this one as well. This is right up my alley, you guys know that. So it's crazy to see like a brand new gloss bomb because mine is thrashed. Like it looks like it's been in 500 purses because it has. Ooh, oh, this is so pretty. This one is so pretty. This might be my second favorite. I really like the Fenty Glow one a lot just for like every day, but this one is really pretty. You can tell that the color will last on these. It's different from a gloss, like where you can kind of tell it's gonna fade right away. This one, I can pretty much tell that the color will stay like this for a while. Obviously it's a gloss, it's not gonna be super long lasting, but yeah, this one, I really like this. I'll probably get the most out of this one besides Fenty Glow. You guys can see it's not as opaque as it is in the bottle, so it is like a little bit sheerer than you think, but it's not. It still has enough pigment, you know. So what we have is Fruit Snacks. Like I said, there is one more. I just didn't pick it up. It's like a very pale mauve-y purple color. Definitely not a lipstick for me. But this one, I'm really excited for all of these. Like all of these look like something I would wear all the time. So this one is definitely the darkest one. So, ooh, this is so pretty. So you guys can see like it went on kind of dark right away, and then once you kind of spread it out, it's not as dark. I can't tell what these smell like. They definitely smell fruity, but it doesn't smell the same as the regular gloss bombs. Ooh, I really like this one too. Definitely would wear this on its own like this. Maybe I would clean it up a little bit like with some concealer, but overall I think it's really pretty. Again, you can see the difference from in the bottle and on the lips. By the way, lip products look different on everyone. They definitely look different on me than a lot of people because I don't have a lot of pigment to my lips. Everyone's lip color underneath is different, so they will look different on everyone, but this is Fruit Snack, and it's really nice. It feels really beautiful on the lips. Like I said, it feels pretty similar to the regular gloss bomb. It feels nice. I hope they come out with some more colors of these because I really like these a lot. I definitely think I like these more than the regular gloss bombs. I just don't reach for the regular gloss bomb that often. I used to, not so much anymore because I just have other glosses that I like a little bit better, but these ones I love. I really, really like these. I definitely think my favorites are Fenty Glow and Cookie Jar. Let me put one back on because I really like that one. I'm gonna go back with Cookie Jar just because I think this one might be my favorite. But yeah, so that is my quick little video on these. I definitely recommend them. If you're like me and you kind of just like something with a little bit more pigment but not super opaque, then I definitely would pick a few up. There's only 5 of them, and like I said, I definitely recommend these two. I really like these colors a lot. If you like those more berry tones, I definitely would pick up Fruit Snacks because I really like this one too. Honey Waffles is a really nice nude too. I feel like this will work on a lot of different skin tones and it looks really good. It's like a nice yellowy undertone brown. Very different. I like that a lot. There's not too many yellow undertone lip products. I mean, I like all 4 of them that I picked up. I'm definitely happy with my purchase. I think you guys should pick them up. I think they're really good and I really like the formula of them. Like I said, I hope they come out with some more mixture of these two. I would love to see like something like that. That's my quick little video. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys if you guys were thinking about picking these up. Like I said, they are $19 each. They're available at Sephora and wherever else, obviously FentyBeauty.com and wherever else Fenty is sold. So let me know if you guys have picked any of these up. Do you like them? Are you gonna pick any up now? Which one was your favorite on me? I think this one looks the best. Like these colors are like the most flattering on me, you know, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.